Hey guys, if you are looking for best air fryer Ninja or Instant Pot, you chose right video. Today we're going to review top 5 best air fryer Ninja or Instant Pot on market. After spending 2 weeks research, we make this list based on features, quality, prices, customers' reviews, and durability. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Our first product is Ninja Phone 101 Air Fryer. This stellar air fryer has 25,862 5-star ratings and counting on Amazon. Even with its compact footprint, it can cook up to 4 quarts of food at one time in snack terms. That's roughly 2 pounds of French fries. The sleek black and gray unit looks lovely on your kitchen counter. Its temperature starts at 105 degrees F and goes up to 400 degrees F. We also love that the parts are all dishwasher safe, so it can go straight in when you're finished cooking. Bonus: this machine gets consistently high reviews for crisping up frozen food, so you can look forward to tater tots galore. Now our second choice is Cuisinart TOA 60. This multitaster saves you precious kitchen real estate with its ability to do multiple jobs. No need to schlep it out of storage every time you want to fry. We like this one's convenient presets for mealtime favorites like wings, fries, chicken nuggets, snacks, vegetables, and more. With a capacity of up to 3 pounds of food, it can accommodate a 12-inch pizza, 6 bagel halves, or a small chicken. There's plenty of room, and a large display makes it easy to use. Another neat feature: a temperature range that starts at 80 degrees F allows you to slow cook, proof dough before baking, and dehydrate food. When it's time to clean up, simply put the dishwasher-safe baking pan and air fryer basket on the rack with your other plates and bowls. Now number 3, Cosori Season 130 AO 32-quart Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Most countertop models have room for 5 to 16 quarts of food. The biggest have 3 times that space, up to 32 quarts. This Cosori unit is one of the big boys. It also has more than 7,000 5-star reviews on Amazon. You can cook a whole chicken on its rotisserie. That means you have lots of space to cook all your favorite foods, like a 13-inch pizza. A non-stick air fry basket makes cleanup easy, and because it's Wi-Fi connected, you can monitor your food from anywhere and select to keep it warm function when it finishes. At number 4, Dash Compact Air Fryer. The Dash Compact is a good air fryer for people who cook only for themselves or for someone who's new to air frying and wants to try it out. At 1.7 liters, it can quickly cook one portion of food. The smaller footprint means it takes up less room on your counter, and its compact basket means easier cleaning. This model has a dial timer, which makes it a little tricky to program to the exact minute. The temperature is also set via a dial and doesn't offer many options, but we found the Dash was still a good pick since we use the max 400 AF temperature to air fry most foods. We love that it comes in an assortment of colors that pop. Unlike most air fryers on the market, the Aqua, pictured here, is a fave. At number 5, Instant Pot Vortex Plus Clear Cook. This one particularly stands out for its see-through window design, which allows you to peer inside without pulling out the basket. It also has a light that can be turned on manually, and that turns on automatically right before the timer goes off. The digital control panel is highly responsive, and the knob makes it easy to program the temperature and time quickly. It has 6 settings that are preset with recommended, but adjustable cooking temperatures and times, including air fry, bake, roast, reheat, broil, and dehydrate. The square basket maximizes cooking space, is easy to slide out and maneuver, and fits comfortably in the dishwasher. It has a removable tray versus a separate basket that sits inside a drawer, and we find the tray easier to wash. All the products we mention are available in present market. To get the link, check description below. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notified our next video. Thanks for watching.